Hello everyone, welcome back to Colorado channel. Nice to see you again. Happy New Year, and hope that everybody now already finished the holiday and back to work, right? Hope that in the new year and everything will go smoothly and you will have a very successful career in especially the digital printing industry. Okay, so first of all, maybe some new audience don't know that who we are and what we do. So here, I'd like to introduce ourselves. Our company name is Ningbo Haishu Digital Technology Company, located in Ningbo, so near Shanghai, around just 2 hours away by driving. And our company is established at 2015. So at the first beginning, we focused and for the researching and the developing for the seamless digital printers. So our company already have around 10 years history. And in these 10 years, we are mainly focusing on developing how we can do better for the digital seamless printer. So what you see here are our products. So this is the new upgraded one. Okay, this is who we are. We are the manufacturer for the seamless digital printer. So welcome you to follow us and subscribe our YouTube channel and also watch our live. Our live will be held every week in 2 times. At the afternoon time of Chinese time, 3 to 5 p.m. Hello, hi, welcome you. Welcome to watch our live. This is Tina. Welcome all of you here. Follow us, follow our YouTube channel, and also watch our live. So today, we would like to introduce you, especially for the new audience, that let you know who we are. We are Ningbo Haishu Colorado Digital Technology Company. So our company was established at 2015. In the last almost 10 years, we focused on researching and manufacturing the seamless digital printer. And we put a large amount for researching and developing ourselves for the seamless digital printer. We committed to enhancing also the capability for the software and also the printer. We upgraded for both the printer and also the software. Okay, so welcome you to get us any question, and we are trying our best to reply you during the live. So I saw, is someone already leaving the question there? Let me check it out. Actually, our ink is water-based, and and it's environmental protection, so it is no smell actually. So during you're staying in the room, during this printing area, you feel nothing actually for the smell for this ink. Okay, and then the second question. Hi Peter, thank you for your question. So is that pigment? So far, no. Pigment actually it could be used for the cotton material, and later we will introduce that. So far we are just using the water-based ink, and for polyester we could use the dispersed ink, and for the cotton we are now using the reactive ink. So no pigment ink so far. Maybe later I would like to know. Are you being forced to do this? No, for sure not. Okay, no case for sure. That is the social compliance wise. So of course it is no. Okay, so let me introduce our company. Our company was established at 2015, and we were focusing to researching and manufacturing the seamless digital printer at the first beginning. So in the last 10 years, we focused developing ourselves for both the printer and also the software. And just last month, we launched the new upgraded software with the auto print. So it means for POD system. So especially for the customized request, the print on demand, and then you can use our software with the auto print function. That will be very convenient for your production. Okay, so that is the brief case of who we are and what we do. We do the seamless digital printer. We are the manufacturer. Okay, so actually in the past 10 years, we already launched for several generations, different generations of our printer. So from the first generation, it is the flat scanning printing mode, and upgraded to later the spiral, the rotary printer. And also from the just one single roller to multiple roller, and from the just one size, the single size of the roller, to different diameter of the roller to suitable for this market. And with this different model of the printer, actually you could print for different varieties of the applications, which could be the sleeve covers for the summer, and also the buff scarves during outdoor sports, and also socks for sure, definitely socks. And then also you can print on for the beanies, and sometimes like the seamless boxer and yoga suits, leggings, bras, top. So with these kind of seamless items, especially the knitted tubular items, by using our printer, you can just print it on it. That could be easy. And you can get whatever design you want, and also no color limitation. So that is what we do for this digital seamless printer. So let me show you if anyone leave the question there. Okay, let me check it out. Hello everybody here. Welcome to watch our live. It's a hot discussion there. Okay. So just now we talked about what the printer can do. So it could print for different items of the tubular items. So from here you can see it's sock, and also some sleeve covers, and the beanies and buff scarves, and even the seamless yoga leggings and yoga top. So just different model of the printer. It could be just get it realized. And then someone might ask, what's the material it could be printed? Okay, first, the printing item, it just needs to be with the solid material. So just ensure that on top of this item, this material on top, which touch for the ink, then that material needs to be solid. This is the first point. So solid material on top of the material of the items, which needs to be absorb the ink later. And secondly, it could be polyester, it could be cotton, it could be nylon, it could be wool, and even bamboo fiber also could be printed. Just different material, different ink, and different material, different printing process. So if you are using the polyester material, then we will use the disperse ink. And if you just use the bamboo fiber or cotton, then these two materials could be used reactive ink. So if the nylon material or the wool material, then the ink needs to be changed to acid one. Except this different ink for different material, and also the working process, the production process will be different. Okay, let me see if anything. Question? Thank you. Okay, thank you for all the comments there, and also thank you for your comments and questions. If you have any question, just let me know. And thank you for watching our live. Our live will be held twice a week, each Wednesday and Friday in the afternoon time, Chinese time, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. And West American time will be like almost midnight, 11. So hope that everyone like us and you could follow us. You could subscribe our YouTube channel and watch our live twice a week. Don't forget the time. Okay, just now we talked about what the material could be printed. So it could be printed on the polyester material. It could print on the cotton, and also could print on the nylon and wool fabric, and also the bamboo fiber. So far, only except the acrylic you could not print yet. Well, others could be. So just remember that so far that all the material needs to be printed, needs to be solid first, and different material, different ink, and different ink choice with different production process. Then you could just get what you want. Okay,